Hi, this is Mary Kern. I chose to do my video over Charles Darwin and how he kind of came to the to prove his theory on evolution. So I found a video by BBC News, Theory of Evolution, how did Darwin come up with it? And it kind of goes over, it's a 5.5-minute video about how Charles Darwin came up with the theory of evolution. It begins in 1831 when Darwin traveled via the HMS Beagle to South America, where he began his research on the differences between similar species in different locations, like the Galapagos tortoises. And then he had a little bit of difficulty, as the video describes, on how he was going to prove that, and there were a couple of things that came about that kind of helped him prove that theory. But the environment played a role in selecting which traits that were required for these species to adapt and survive. First of all, he looked at how breeders crossbreed animals in order for them to have the traits that are necessary for farm life or whatever their protection jobs that they needed the animals to do. And then from there, in order to apply it to nature, he saw Thomas Robert Malthus and his outline on how, in order to adapt to survive to changes in the environment, you would have to go through evolutionary changes throughout generations in order to better survive an environment that isn't capable of supporting a larger population. So that kind of helped me understand better the steps that he took and the processes that he took over a span of 20 years to finalize his book that he later published. And I thought it was also really cool that the Catholic Church decades later came on board and was like, yep, this can be accepted and is compatible with faith. So I just thought that was pretty neat. But yeah, that's my video.